Snack time, guys. I soon just came back from Walmart. Stay at home na lang. Why you're laughing? Oh, see? He bought a lot of things. He bought a lot of stuff. Because I'm not there. Honestly speaking, if I am there, if not, hurry up.
I'm cold.
I'm cold, and ewan ko I will talk in our dialect. I'm not what do you call this, outgoing person. Even though in Bacolod, Ariane, me, and Bella, you always said that we will go out like this, purposely for grocery. But we rather stay at home if not important, if there is no occasion, we don't prefer to celebrate in a restaurant. Kaya lang ito siya, talagang gusto, outgoing siya. Kita mo kahit dito, kahit siya lang mag-isa, punta siya ng grocery. Wala siyang pakialam. Ako ayaw talaga. Pag walang importante na bibilhin sa Walmart, kung saan man, kasi bilhin ako. Hindi. Stay put ako. Ang dami niyang binili. We have our dinner already, cook already. We bought also potato, fruits, chururot. Ang dami niyang binili. At gamot niya kasi paikot-ikot na lang sa amin yung sipon. Sobrang init sa labas. Pagpasok, aircon, naka-fan pa. Centralized aircon, naka-fan pa. Kaya ako nakaganito yung gloves ko.
Yeah, Papa's
Gloves ko.
store.
No, Papa, sari-sari store, look. Lamisa namin, half na lang. Punong-puno. The table is half. On top of the refrigerator, full of chips. His sari-sari store and the other there, full also. Open your other
Over here?
grocery. Yung sari-sari, naiya din siya. Parang ano na yan ni Anson, stress reliever.
Yeah.
Dito, puno din. Diyan puno, Hawaiian at chururot, mga gift sa amin galing Hawaii.
Yeah, this is different. This is good.
Brown. His favorite. Tingnan mo lamisa namin, oh. Half na lang, kaliit na lang. Kami lang naman dalawa. Puno. See? Puno ang mga kabinet hanggang dun sa taas. Masikip na yung bahay sa amin. Ayun na, sorry.
Okay, good. We have room. I'll cut the cantaloupe.
Ay, you bought? Oh, That's my favorite. Please, I will transfer. You will cut. Layas tayo dyan. Supposedly, punta kami ng Abilin. Pero, tinarangkaso. Hindi naman trangkaso. Ubot, sipon lang. Kaya hintay-hintay na lang. Hanggang sa dalawa lang kami Mas prefer ako ganito kaliit na apartment. Meron titingin kami sa Pero ayoko kasi nasa taas. Ayoko nasa taas. Ito ground floor lang kami. Mahirapan ako akyat baba. Kasi sa legs ko. Okay na kami dito. Yung makikita ko, yung 4 walls, ganyan ako. Ayoko sa malaking bahay.